Let's talk about retail, the kind where you're running hundreds or thousands of physical stores. Here's what most people outside the industry miss. A retail chain isn't one business. It's hundreds of small businesses, each with its own customers, its own competition, its own rhythm. Two stores in the same city can perform completely differently. So what separates the operators who win from the ones who fall behind? Not data. Everyone has data. It's pattern recognition. The best retail operators I know can look at a P&L and tell you, within 6 months, which store is in trouble. A dip in returning customers, a shift in product mix, inventory creeping up slowly. None alarming on its own. Altogether, it's a warning. That judgment isn't scalable. Most chains have 1 or 2 people like that in the entire company. They can't visit every store. So the rest of the team looks at the same dashboards and reaches completely different conclusions. This is where tools like Scoop are changing the conversation. What it does is specific. It sits with your best operator, learns how they think about a store, what they look for, what concerns them, then broadcasts that thinking to every location, every week on its own. Every store gets examined. Outliers are investigated, not just flagged. The system goes after the why behind the number, not just the number itself. Which stores need my attention this week? Not a ranked list of underperformers. It flags stores from 2 angles: revenue mix shifts that signal trouble, and leading indicators moving the wrong direction even when the top line looks fine. One dashboard shows the bottom 5 in sales. This tells me who's at risk and why. Explain why Store Downtown has lower conversion rate this month compared to other stories. Not just revenue is down. It walks through the drivers. Traffic? Fine. Conversion? Fine. One customer segment buying less per visit. Basket mix shifting to lower margin categories. And a concrete recommendation. 20 seconds. The same answer my best district manager would give after 2 hours. This is what I keep coming back to. Retail has always run on the instincts of a few people who truly get it. That model is changing. Not because instincts are wrong. They're more valuable than ever. What's changing is that those instincts no longer have to live inside a single person's head.